on an adventure. So let's read it now. Parrot and Owl are ready to go. Parrot would choose a place that they know. Playground, picnic, or park. Owl would rather they fly someplace new. Owl and the parrot must choose what to do. Fire station, restaurant, construction site. I pick restaurant and then the parrot when I pick picnic. At a picnic, we can have a big treat. Parrot likes crackers. What do you like to eat? At the restaurant, there are many places to look. The chef is ready. What would you like her to cook? Bowl, chair, table, cup, plate. At the park, it's time to play and have fun. Parrot loves kites. Which is the prettiest one? This one. At the construction site, they will build something new. Owl likes the truck and the crane. How about you? And then back at school, there are many things to do. Parrot likes to sing, and Owl does too. Hope you enjoyed this story. See you next time. Bye.